Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Book of Meme. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Book of Meme has recently broken out another down channel on the daily time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line has retested the previous resistance of the channel as support. And at the same time, it is also testing this quite long-term support zone that starts from $0.0083 and goes to $0.0078. And before that, I have been showing you this rising wedge pattern, and I was telling you that after getting squeezed inside this wedge, soon it can break this pattern, and you can see that the price then broke this pattern to the downside and formed this down channel. And while moving to the downside inside this channel, the price then also broke down this very significant support, an uptrend line support that was previously working as support here, support here, support here, and after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance with this breakout as well. And I would also like to show you an inverse head and shoulder pattern that the price line is forming on this daily time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern, an expected harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern, because it was completing the final leg of this Gartley move. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped down and completed the final leg of this Gartley pattern as predicted. And after the completion of this final leg of the Gartley pattern and just setting this potential reversal zone, we had a very nice pump, and this was almost 48% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Book of Meme formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And by the way, I shared this idea on 6th of May 2024. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Book of Meme. And this is the daily time frame chart, and previously you can see that it was moving inside this rising wedge pattern, and after getting squeezed, finally the price and broke down the support of this rising wedge pattern. By the way, this rising wedge pattern is in fact a bearish bias, and now it was moving inside this down channel that is in fact a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, the price then broke down the support of this previous bearish bias pattern and broke out the resistance of this next bullish bias pattern. And now the price line is retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support before the next move to the upside. At the same time, it is also testing this very long-term support and resistance zone that starts from $0.0083 and goes to $0.00788 as well. By the way, this $0.00788 was also the target for the breakdown from this rising wedge pattern as well. And now while it is retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support, at the same time the price line is also completing the right shoulder of this head and shoulder, the inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the right shoulder, by the way. And here we have the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And if the price line will be moved down and forms another lower than previous low of head, then this head and shoulder pattern will be invalidated. However, so far so good, the price line did not break down this support zone, and also having this previous resistance of the channel as a support as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the technical target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at 1.5 cents. And the final target for the breakout from this down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 1.6 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.